Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial of typography. And in this video, I will be showing you how you can apply different brushes to your words and create your own customized stroke brushes, stroke words like this. So what I'm going to do is that I will be showing it in this document itself, and this one is going to be like the end. It's going to be like the final version of how it's going to look like. So for this video itself, I already have this document open, which is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I've given a name to my document as well called the vector stroke typography. So what I'm going to do is that I will be using my type tool right here and click on my document like that and type out a word. So it can be anything you like. So let's just type out a random word. Let's just type out typography for now. Okay. So when you do, and you can use the you can use the selection tool to select your text and then play around with the font styles as well. So this font style that I've been using, it's called Gabriola, or you can use the same one, or you could choose any of the fonts provided by Adobe Illustrator. So you can use something like Candera for now. And if you check from the drop down box here, you can also see which one you like better, if you want italic, light italic. I think bold would look pretty good. Okay. And the font size right here is 120 points, like that. So what I'm going to do is that I'll select my word, go to object and click on expand. Make sure that both the object and the fill is selected and click on OK. So the reason why I'm doing this is because when you click on expand, your text actually then becomes into a proper shape where you can now add in your brushes. So over here in this brushes panel, so as you can see, there are some preloaded brushes right here, or you could also check out other brushes from the brushes image brush library. And so I will be choosing this one for now. And if you select this, you can see that it automatically comes on top of our word like that. But honestly speaking, this brush doesn't really look that great. So let's just stick to this charcoal feather types like that, and you can see that the brush then comes on top of our text like that. Okay, so if you select this, we can go ahead and also change the color. So the fill was black, so we can change the fill to red. And you can see the outline, the stroke remains black and the effect is there, right? So even if you remove the stroke, make sure that your text is selected, and yeah. So the thing is that the brush only applies if the stroke is there, otherwise it's not gonna work that way. If you want, you can change the fill to be white, or you can just remove the fill like that, right? So I let it be black and white. So I'll select this again, and we can go ahead and also go to object, path, and reverse path direction, and you can see that the effects does get changed a little like that. Over here in this brushes panel itself, there is a lot of options right here. Now if you've already downloaded a brush, which you can from free links, you can add them in the brush gallery itself. or you could just play around with different brush styles, see which one actually looks better for you depending what you want to play with. So even in the image brush library right here, I mean, there is a little limited ones like that. And selected, select this one. Like that. So you can play around with the brushes and see which funky style you like. But I'm just gonna stick to the safest one, which was actually just the charcoal brush. Like that. So there you go. Now you have your very own custom stroke typography like that. This probably like that. So this was this. So let's go ahead and also save our file. But before I do that, just in case if you want to also change the stroke color, if you do not wanted it to be black, we can go ahead and also change, like we'll have to first select our word and also change the color from here, or probably just change the color like that. So let's go ahead and also save our file. To do that, we will be going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, our file will be saved in an Adobe Illustrator format, and I highly recommend that we save a file in this format, so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily access my AI file and make the changes accordingly. And I let the file name be vector stroke. No, actually I'll just change it to stroke typography and click on save and okay. And there you go. So like right in front of our document, this .ai comes in, which now means it's successfully been saved as an AI file. So I hope you found this video to be useful and easy. And with a little practice, you can also play around with different brush strokes and see which one suits best for the project that you're working on. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.